What is sublimation versus evaporation and boiling? Imagine watching ice slowly disappear in your freezer or a puddle drying up on a hot day. These are all phase changes, but they happen in different ways. Today, we're going to look at how solids turn directly into gases, how liquids become gases at different temperatures, and what makes boiling special. It's all about understanding how substances change from one form to another in thermodynamic systems and cycles. Sublimation is a process where a solid skips the liquid stage and turns directly into a gas. Think of dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide. When exposed to room temperature and pressure, it transforms straight into carbon dioxide gas without melting into a liquid first. This happens because the vapor pressure of the solid exceeds the pressure of the surrounding air. Sublimation needs energy, usually heat, to happen and occurs under conditions where the liquid phase isn't stable. It's used in freeze-drying foods and in natural processes like snow turning directly into vapor in cold, dry environments. Evaporation is quite different. It happens when a liquid turns into a gas but only at the surface. This can happen at any temperature below the boiling point. For example, when you leave water in a glass, some molecules at the surface gain enough energy to escape into the air. Evaporation is a slow process and depends on factors like temperature, humidity, and surface area. It doesn't produce bubbles or happen throughout the liquid, only at the surface. It's common in everyday life, like drying clothes or cooling your skin through sweat. Boiling is a much faster and more vigorous change. It occurs when a liquid reaches its boiling point, which is the temperature where its vapor pressure equals the pressure of the surrounding air. When this happens, bubbles form inside the liquid and rise to the surface, turning the whole liquid into vapor. For water, this is at 100 degrees Celsius at standard atmospheric pressure. Boiling requires continuous heat to keep the process going and is a key part of many systems that transfer heat and change phases in thermodynamics. So, to sum it up, sublimation is solid to gas without becoming a liquid, evaporation is liquid to gas at the surface below boiling temperature, and boiling is a rapid, whole liquid change into vapor at a specific temperature. Knowing these differences helps us understand how gases and phase changes work in thermodynamic systems, from drying clothes to cooking and even refrigeration.